Prime Minister Janez Janša was the first president of the European Council coming from a former communist country. Under his leadership, the Slovenian presidency gave a good example that small countries have an important role to play in the European Union and can be very successful as Council presidencies. During the Slovenian presidency, Janez Janša's long political experience with regard to the Balkans was particularly important to finally come to a conclusion on the question of Kosovo. The cooperation of Prime Minister Janez Janša as President of the European Council with the European Parliament was very good and fruitful. I have personally appreciated Prime Minister Janez Janša as a very competent and experienced European politician and statesman, and I have enjoyed working with him on important European questions. I think it is right to say that Prime Minister Janez Janša has very successfully raised the profile of Slovenia on European and international level during the Slovenian presidency due to his competence, his political experience, and his personal credibility.